How to delete your Ring app account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily delete your Ring app account. It is a mobile platform that helps users manage their Ring smart security devices from anywhere. It provides real-time monitoring, instant alerts, and convenient features to enhance home security. Some of its key highlights is live monitoring, instant alerts, two-way talk, customizable settings, and video history. So if you want to delete your account for some reason, here is how you do it. First of all, open up your account and make sure that you're logged into the app. Then you just tap on the hamburger menu to open up your control center. And once you get to your control center, what you need to do is scroll down until you see manage your information or manage your data. Go ahead and tap on manage your data. And here, if you scroll down, you'll have two options. You can either download your personal data or delete your personal data, including your Ring account. This is very important. If you want to delete any of your data, your account will also be deleted. So once this is done, the action cannot be undone. So as you can see here, this will delete your Ring account and videos, and it will end all of your Ring subscriptions and cause your Ring products and services to stop working. So if you want to terminate everything, tap on delete data like this. And for security reasons, it will ask you your password. Go ahead and enter your passwords, tap on continue, and your Ring account should be deleted. And that's how you easily delete your account. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.